Hi everybody, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my studio. It's so dark, it's only 3 o'clock. Can you tell I love my fairy lights? This is just one string of lights. It took me ages to put this up. Little seat here for guests. Here's one of my drawings. It's just pencil crayons, so it took quite a while to do. It's quite detailed. Here's my beloved Sealy tool chest that I customised. I basically drilled holes into the main tool chest and stuck this pink piece on the side because I ordered the pink version from America and they decided when it got to customs it was too heavy, so they sent it back. So I had to reorder the tool chest in the UK, and then I just put this piece on the side. Looks pretty good. Here's some of my pigments. It's all my own artwork on the walls of the studio. I do commissions occasionally when I've got the time. I just brought in my ring light so I can show you some of my machines. Here we've got the Cheyenne pen, the Meicha, Giant Sun, Dragonfly and the Will Anthony King Coil. They're all really great machines. I'm planning on selling my spare Meicha handpiece. I'm a bit of a machine hoarder. Here's my new amazing ring light. I'll do a separate review on it. I think it would be really great for any tattooist, beauty blogger or makeup artist, or even if you're into photography. I really love it, it's amazing. Here's my drawing with the ring light on it so you can actually see it properly. It's got gold leaf pieces on it, so they're all shiny. The phoenix is actually a tattoo that I've got on my back. I never get to see it, so I thought I'd draw him, and now I can look at him every day. Everyone always asks me about my cherry blossom lights. I basically bought a vase, bought some cherry blossoms, bought the lights and some sticks and just whacked it all together. It looks really nice. Very effective. Hope you all enjoyed my studio tour, and I'll see you soon.